G'day everyone, Turbo Tristan here. Just a real quick one, shout out to Ben from CRC. If you remember in a previous video, my VL had a mad misfire and was running like absolute junk. Ben's come around, dropped off a whole range of CRC products, and I actually just finished using the no contact cleaner to clean the airflow meter and a bit of carby clean straight down the throat of my RB30, and now no more misfire. Shout out to CRC making the mechanic's choice products forever. I don't know how long they've been in business, but my granddad has always sworn by CRC, so now I do too. Thanks Ben, cheers mate.